Hey guys, so you may have watched my videos on the arms and the legs. Well, this week we're going to be working on our core. Working on your core is important because it strengthens your abdominal muscles and it also helps your back out. So, let's get to it. Let's have a fun workout. Yo, so for the third week, we're going to get started off with some jumping jacks. Okay, what you want to do is spread your legs, tighten up your core, and just start going. This is pretty simple, just something that we can do just to get our heart rate going, to get ready for the actual workouts, you know. So try to do about 20 to 25, and then see how you feel after. Good job, good job. Now we're going to hop into our crunches. Now the crunches are a little more difficult, as you can see. 1, 2. I'm trying to keep a straight face, but actually they're really painful. So this is definitely one of the best exercises to do by yourself. The crunches are actually a little more difficult than I thought they would. But you know what? You can see I'm gassed right there. But now we're going to transition into the sit-ups. Now for the sit-ups, I needed to call my guy Jasper to help me out. As you can see, he's holding my feet down, so I won't let my body slide, or I won't end up using any other parts other than my core to use them. And it helped me out a lot. So it's always good to have somebody else helping you out when you're working out. As you can see, Jasper was pushing me very hard to be the best that I can be. See? Teamwork makes the dream work, guys. Now we're going to get into our burpees. Now this one is a little more difficult, so be sure not to push yourself too hard. Now what you want to do is a push-up and a jump, and make sure that your core is tightened. While you're doing the burpees, you want to also make sure that you're jumping all at once to feel the best of the workout. So I wanted to do 10, but as you can see, I was only able to do about half of that. So when I tell you guys that workout is pretty difficult, believe me. That was a great workout, guys. So next week, we're going to tune in and do some salsa dancing. I'm not too good at it myself, but we'll see how it goes. Thank you for joining me this week. And be sure to like and subscribe. And hey, let's have some more fun next week.